Hello, welcome to Ruby Art Academy. Today I will draw a princess. Draw a circle with a bottle's cap, two curved line under two dot for making eyes, nose, lip, ear on both sides of the circle. Take dot from this dot 4 centimeter. Draw a standing line. On both sides draw two small standing line. From the standing line draw slipping line looks like letter L. Finger down, take a dot. Draw here a 2 centimeter slipping line. From this dot draw curved line on both sides, same curved line. From this dot draw a big standing line. From here draw curved line on both sides for making her dress. From here to there join with 3 curved line on both sides. Total 6 curved line. Draw a same slipping line for making belt. One finger up, take dot. From here to there join with slip curved line. Erase this lower portion. Standing line will be erased. Upper standing line also erased. From here draw curved line. At first take dot on both sides. Draw curved line on for making curved line. Draw for making hand. Both sides will be same curved line. Draw 2 standing line for sleeve. Standing line on top portions. Take a dot center of this hand. Draw on both sides same dot. From here draw curly hair like this with many curved line. Draw curly hair. Erase this upper portions. Draw a curved line for making crown of this princess. For 3, at first draw standing line both sides, slanting line, draw 3 circle. Lower curved line will be double. A large circle for making sun. Curved line on both sides. Draw cloud in the background. Many cloud like this on the background. Again cloud. Again draw cloud like this. Use black sketch pen for outline. Be carefully, black sketch pen do outline with black sketch pen. Erase this pencil mark after black sketch. Be carefully. I am using pink color for skin. Today use brush pen for painting. Next color brown for making her curly hair. apply many curve line like this. Many curve line draw like this for painting her curly hair. Also yellow color use on the curly hair. Next, sky color on top portions of her dress. Lower portions same color use, also the sky color. Next color rose pink or purple. 3 dot will be same purple color, and upper portions of her dress same color apply. Next, all lower portion also same color. Use blue color for background. Don't color the cloud. Blue background color will be only blue color. Blue color will be fully on the background. Don't color the cloud. Cloud will be white color. Don't color this cloud. Only background color will be blue without cloud. Next lower portions will be black color. Draw two standing line with black color. Make tree, many curve line draw for making tree like this on both sides of the princess. Same tree also here. Next, draw star like this. Use gray color for making star. Draw the same star. At first, draw cross sign and sleeping line for making star. Take many dots with same color on the background. Many dot for making star. With same color, draw shade on the tree like this. Apply. Use to outline with this color. Draw many curve line for making shade with same color. Draw two like this curve line on her dress, on both sides curve line. on this dress many dot with black color. Two dots on her cheek. Thanks for watching.